Some important women rights to know. Women have the right to equal pay. As per Equal Remuneration Act, one cannot be discriminated on basis of sex when it comes to pay. Women have right to dignity and decency. When accused is a woman, any medical procedure on her must be performed by or in the presence of another woman. Women have right against workplace harassment. Sexual harassment of women at Workplace Act gives her the right to file a complaint against any kind of sexual harassment at her place of work. Women have a right against cruelty and domestic violence, as per the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Right to privacy while recording statement, especially for rape victim. Under Section 164 of CRPC, a woman who has been raped, her statement should be recorded alone before the district magistrate when the case is under trial or in presence of a police officer with one lady constable in an uncrowded and convenient place. Women have right to register virtual complaint through email or registered postal address. Further, the SHO sends a police constable to her place to record her complaint. Women have right against indecent representation. Depiction of woman's figure, her form, or any body part in any manner that is indecent, derogatory is a punishable offense. Female sexual assault victims have right to keep their identity anonymous. As per Section 228A of IPC, disclosure of identity of a victim in sexual assault cases a punishable offense, which deters the media from making public the name of rape victim. Women have the right to get the free legal aid. Under the Legal Service Authority Act, any woman who has the right to get free legal aid, especially female rape victim. Women have the right not to be arrested at night. Unless there is an exceptional case on the order of first-class magistrate, a woman cannot be arrested after sunset and before sunrise. Right against being stalked. As per Section 354D of IPC, legal action is to be taken against an offender if he or she follows a woman despite a clear indication of disinterest by a woman, or if anyone monitors the use of women of internet, email, or any other form of electronic communication. Right to zero FIR. An FIR that can be filed at any police station irrespective of the location where the incident occurred, and later this zero FIR can be moved to the police station in whose jurisdiction the case falls. This is to save the time of the victim and prevent any offender from getting away scot-free.